The chest dips are a great way to build up the bottom part of that chest, or also called that sternal head of the pec major. So here's a little tip to line up those muscle fibers a little bit better with this exercise and also reduce your risk of injury for the shoulders. When you're getting into position, make sure that you have those feet in front of that body and almost like you're trying to push that butt back. As you can see right here, before I start going down, I almost kind of lift those knees and those feet up and kind of push that butt back. This is going to put you in a position to where you're lining up those muscle fibers to the bottom of the chest a lot better with the line that you're pressing. Also notice how far down I'm going. I'm basically stopping to where the arm is basically horizontal or parallel to the ground. On that way down, also make sure that you're letting those elbows come out to the sides, and that way when you're going up, it should feel like you're able to almost push those hands towards each other. At the top, make sure that you're not locking at those elbows and getting tension in those shoulders and in that neck. Control is key, so make sure you're going nice and slow on that way down and keeping those abs tight on that way up. Make sure you're stacking that wrist and those knuckles on top of each other. This is going to help put less pressure on those wrists, help you push those elbows out, and minimize shoulder shrug and tension in the neck at the top. As you can see right there, my knuckles are kind of facing towards the outside. Let's grow that chest, and you know what to do. Like and subscribe, please.